In a world where sustainable solutions meet the needs of ever-growing population, a world where innovation and conservation coexist, who would have thought that the answer to sustainable poultry farming lies beneath the waves?
Sargassum whitei, a type of brown algae, has long been known for its nutritional benefits. But could it hold the key to revolutionizing the poultry industry?
Our study aims to provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of Sargassum whitei as a feed source for broiler chickens and its potential benefits in promoting their growth.
Thumbs up ako sa iyo kay naisipan niyo gamiton ay number 1, malin and organic na masustansyahan yun. Wala sila chemicals, kaya lang, kulang ka mo sin gamit, wala pelletizer, wala dryer. Pero, kung magporsige ka mo sa pag-imuson, na may maka-imod sa iyo na lako na kumpanya na gusto magdano sa iyo, pwede ka mo nanunan kung paano yun i-process na maging kaunon, maski san chicks, dili lang kay maintenance. Na makadagdag yun para maka-ekonomiya sa feeds.
For the community, this research aims to assist beach cleaners in Rizal, Gubat, Sorsogon by finding a way to utilize the Sargassum whitei on the beaches as chicken food. This not only contributes to keeping the beaches clean, but also benefits the local economy and tourism.
Seasoning man yun, dahil man kay kinalo na panahon may kulap ko din eh. Pagka makusog siguro ang dagat, may nadampig din yung baybayin.
Ano po kayo sa tingin mo ang pwede madanon sa iyo ng mga paraisda?
Agalit, makakalinig dinihutan mga pag-agi-agi.
Furthermore, using Sargassum whitei as chicken food can facilitate quicker and more efficient cleanup, thus enhancing beach management and promoting a cleaner and more appealing coastline. It also offers a cost-effective and nutritious solution for broiler chickens, benefiting farmers and the chicken industry.
Sayo siya na parang maati siya pag imo dun sa beach. So kung very helpful yun na makolekta ka mo, at least mababawasan ng ate. Then, advantage na din sa iyo, beneficiary kung diin man sa mga chickens or sa Very good yun na iyo, na project. Kung sabi nga sa to, ito, naamo, mga lupon members na mo ito, good yun, example sa mga makunod pa na mga magiging projects ninyo. Kay, sa amo din halos every month mayong kami sin monthly clean-up drive. So, sayo ang maribariw sa mapagalon limpyahan. So, salamat sa iyo sayo na way man at least mabawas-bawasan mo.
The potential impact of this research extends far beyond the confines of the laboratory.
By cultivating a greater understanding of Sargassum whitei's benefits, we hope to provide a sustainable solution that benefits both the environment and consumers.
Imagine Sargassum whitei lining our coastlines, providing a renewable and nutritious food source for poultry. By reducing the dependence on traditional feed ingredients, we can help mitigate the environmental impact of chicken farming.
Join us as we delve into the depths of the ocean, bring about positive change in the world of poultry farming. Together, we can embrace the potential of Sargassum whitei and pave the way for a more sustainable future.
From the sea to the poultry industry,